Good evening, children. Today, my SAP session will be little bit different. Previous sessions, we have discussed and gathered so many lessons, rather feelings, which is actually giving us the positive sense towards our life as well as towards our society. But today I am going to discuss, or rather I am going to share something with you which is not at all the part of your academic lessons, but I hope whatever the things, whatever the topic and whatever the discussion I am supposed to tell you, that will help you to rethink about your life with positivity. Whenever we observe our surroundings, the environment and the people, we realize that the world cannot be a very difficult place to live in. It can be difficult to survive and lead a peaceful life. People not only fight but also struggle each and every day to achieve their goals and be successful in their lives. Everyone has their own set of problems that they are trying to overcome to lead a better life. You cannot control what happens to you, but you can control your attitude toward what happens to you, and in that you will be mastering change rather than allowing it to master you. This has been told by Brian Tracy. There is a constant struggle and a very many obstacles that occur at different stages of life, which causes depression. People tend to lose heart. The only way to succeed is to just keep persevering with the task at hand, leading to progress, an achievement what one set out on, and not abandoning it halfway through the struggle. Nothing can stop the man with the right mental attitude from achieving his goal. Nothing on earth can help the man with the wrong mental attitude. This famous quotation I am referring right now, it has been told by Thomas Jefferson. Problems were, problems are, and will always be there. We can never get rid of them completely, and sometimes we can't change them, from illness, loss to persecution and poverty. However, it depends on us how we treat them. When we solve one problem, we should be prepared for another what will arrive. This is a constant cycle, and as we age, we know life has its ups and downs. It is important for us to face these downs with a good attitude and enthusiasm, for then we will look after ourselves to the best of our ability. We might just solve the problem at hand. Positive thinking and spreading the word can inspire others. Here is a great quote by Charles Dickens that underpins the power of positive thinking. He told, for the rest of his life, Oliver Twist remembers a single word of blessings spoken to him by another child because this word stood out so strikingly from the consistent discouragement around him. It is a part of Oliver Twist. It is all about us and our mindset. If we train ourselves to look at everything in life with a positive attitude, we will find that life is not as bad as we think it is. We can make our world a better place to live in. Hence, it is important to keep a positive mindset and outlook on life. Your living is determined not so much by what life brings you as by the attitude you bring into life. Not so much by what happens to you as by the way your mind looks at that happens. This has been told by Khalil Gibran. Very, very true. Brian Tracy once said, on the basis of the real life experience, the world cannot be a difficult place to live in. So many different kinds of people around us, the surrounding and the environment, it is hard to find peace. Every day everyone is struggling for being successful in life. Why I am repeating this word? Because that will hammer in our mind that how we are going to see our life. If I want to see my life with full of problems, hectic schedules, negativity, all these vibes are actually just pouring my inside with sadness. If I am not happy, then I am not able to make happy others. Everyone have their problems and sorrows to deal with. The ongoing struggle and the barriers on every step we take because it is the part of our depression and weak mentality. We tend to lose our mind and hurt as well as we are hurting others unknowingly. And so much of depression around us, it adds to our misery. Then how can we get over the depression and achieve our goals? The answer is positive attitude. With all the distractions, the only way to move ahead is to concentrate at the task on hand. It is our attitude that drives us to the success. It is the thing that makes or breaks a person. If you have a positive attitude in life, you will always look at the better side of the things. You will always bring the positive out of every situation. This will keep you content and happy and will keep your mind peaceful. A positive attitude makes our lives full of hope and optimism. Hope that something good lays ahead of all the problems. It is the hope that keeps us going in the right direction. Negativity not only keeps us down but also makes us lose our moral as well as heart. Being negative will never make you happy. It is a myth to think a positive attitude in itself will cure serious diseases. However, a positive attitude allows us to work towards our goals more efficiently with clearer objectives. A positive attitude can motivate cancer patients to take better care of themselves following a diagnosis. Hermann Ehre, Managing Director or Chief Medical Officer for the American Cancer Society, he said, clearly, attitude cannot overcome the importance of the basic underlying disease. He added, importantly, those who are optimistic are probably more likely to eat well, exercise regularly, stop smoking, and practice other behaviors that are helpful. Problems will always be there. There will be always one thing or the other to pull you back and keep you from succeeding. But the difference lies in the way you deal with them. A positive attitude will keep you stronger through your struggle, while negativity will make you weaker. So, it is very important that whatever you do, whatever will be the situation may be, always stay positive. It is the only way you will find in life everything you want. That is peace, love, and success. Children, that much point of view I am sharing through this video, and please try to listen this video carefully. This is an audio based video. I don't know that will help you properly, but I hope definitely after listening this thing at least once or twice, some positive vibes obviously on you. I trust on positive vibes, as I also expect the same from my beloved student. Take care, be healthy, and always be as positive. And that will help you to make your life more happy for yourself and for others who are important for you. Goodbye, children. See you in next video with some another topic.